Hello and welcome to this week's video where I show you what I cook for my dogs. Now one of my dogs has a very sensitive stomach, and so the vet suggested that I start home cooking some meals. And we started with a meat, a frozen veggie, and some rice, and a supplement. The supplement I use is Hillary's Blend. When you cook meals for your dogs, it doesn't have as much nutrients that they need, so it's very important that you get a supplement of some sort. Now, Hillary's Blend also has a website where you can make formulas of food for your dogs to go with what is best for you, what you can cook for them. And so I kept the stuff that the vet suggested, and then I added some eggs and some Greek yogurt to go with it. Now this food will last for 2 weeks for 2 dogs. It can be daunting when you first start cooking meals for your dogs, but it is very easy to make and it's very cost effective as well. It doesn't cost that much depending on what you put into your foods. So let's get started. So what I'll be using is these eggs, the Greek yogurt, there's some lean ground pork, I'll also be doing mixed vegetables, minute rice, and of course Hillary's Blend. So first we'll start with the lean ground pork. It takes the longest time. You can cook it on the stove, in the oven, but what I use is the Instant Pot I have, and I cook half of it at a time. So I have half the pork in there, and I'll set it. Press meat, and I'll be cooking it for 50 minutes. So that's fully cooked all the way through. While the pork is cooking in the Instant Pot, I usually start the rice. So that's 20 cups of water, and it'll be 20 cups of rice. Okay, so the pork is still going. The rice is just sitting, waiting to be put into bags. I have all my bags out, and I'm going to start putting in the veggies. So there's 2.5 kilograms in each bag. So if I change it into grams, there's 2,500 grams, and I got 2 of them. So I usually put about 357 grams per container, and I will start with that on the bottom. Once the bags are full of the veggies, next will be the Greek yogurt. There's 650 grams in each container, so I put about 158 grams into each bag. Okay, so all the yogurt's in all the package, and I'm going to put 2 cups of rice into each bag. If there's any rice left at the end, I'm going to make sure that all of them are fairly similar in weight. Okay, so that's 2 cups of rice in each bag. I still have maybe one quarter of the rice left, which I will put in later. The first half of the pork is done. On camera it looks a little pink, but it's not pink at all. So we're going to strain it to get all that fat out of there. So there's about 2,000 grams of pork. So we're going to split it up into 14 bags, so about 132 grams each bag. The last thing to go in the Instant Pot will be the eggs. The eggs won't take too long. I'm just going to hard boil them. So we're going to go in for 4 minutes. Once the eggs are done cooking, they'll be put in ice water for about a minute, and then we will peel them. So the eggs are cooked. Now we're just going to put them in here for about a minute until they are cooled down, and then I will start to put them into the packs. Alright, so once all the eggs are cooked, I put 2 eggs in each pack and I mix them up. And then I'll mix up the entire pack and I will flatten it so it stores better in the freezer. So that's that. That will last us 14 days, and then I will be doing it again. Thank you for watching. If you like this kind of video, subscribe and I will make more recipes for my dogs. Thanks.